Good day, everyone, and welcome to Cad-Cafe. All right, on this chat, we'll be taking you through the move entities tool. Okay, so quickly, let's just go ahead and then sketch on the front plane. All right, and then don't worry about the units for now. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so let's just go ahead and then let's just sketch a circle on the front plane. So sketch some circles, and then all right, so and then let's just go ahead and sketch a rectangle also, a corner rectangle. Yeah. All right. Okay. So let's head over to the sketch, the move entities. Now, without you sketching on any plane, okay, without you sketching on any plane, you will be able to highlight this move entity. Let me just undo that and then tell you understand what I'm saying. Everything that this move entities is not highlighted. Okay, so for you to activate this, we have to first of all sketch on any plane. All right. So in this case, we're sketching on our front plane, a circle, and a rectangle. All right. So I've been doing that. So let's just this has been activated. So we go ahead to click on move entities. Okay. So now what you see here is that the rectangle has been highlighted. Okay. So I let's just go start with the rectangle first. Okay. So we are on these parameters. You see move to. So uh we have gotten our rectangle highlighted already. So let's just go ahead and then click on the base point. So if I click on this point, okay, this is where I'm taking my point of start from. Okay, so I'm moving it from here to here. All right. Okay. So what that does is that I have to first of all select a point in space after highlighting my shape or my sketch. Okay, I have to first of all select the point. All right, come over here, then select the point in the space of which I want to start my movement from. So I actually come over here and then click here and then move from here to here. All right. Okay, so that's how that works. And let's just do that for circle. Move entities. Move entities. See, first of all, I like the circle. Oh, sorry. Okay. All right, so it's been taken as an arc. And then as I'm doing that, mind you, all the relations are being moved to are actually retained. Okay. So keep relations. Let's try what let's try and see what will happen. Okay, so I've clicked here. So you see that now the relations are not being involved, like they are not actually taken whilst I was moving the circle. Okay, so you noticed before now that let me undo that when I was trying to move this, I had all my relations. This was I had some relations here, if you noticed. Okay, so you can actually just tap and then replay the video on some parts of which I actually tried highlighting this circle. Okay, so you see that this had some relations. All right, so that actually wouldn't move the relations. Okay, so it actually, if I untick this, the relations, the relations on the circle won't be carried or moved along with the circle itself. Okay, so that's what happens. Okay, so all right, I moved it to here. All right, so that is that for moving entities. First of all, highlight and you come by here, you click on the point of which you want to start from, and then all right, that is that for moving entities. So it's as simple as that. You can move your object to anywhere you want. To move it to anywhere you want. See, anywhere in the graphic area. Okay, so that is that for moving entities. And then let's in the next tutorial I'll be showing you on how to copy entities. All right, so do have a wonderful day. Thank you very much.